Logan,
What?
what are you eating?
Food.
What kind of food?
No.
No.
Get me away from the camera.
What are you eating? Why'd you put your broccoli on the table? Do you like the broccoli?
Get the camera away from me.
Do you like the broccoli?
Yeah.
Yeah. What is the broccoli?
Right there. That's the baby Adam.
Why is baby Adam drinking a Kool-Aid? Baby Adam's too little for Kool-Aid.
Can you see it? Can you see a video? That's baby Adam.
What's that?
Oh, that's your food.
What's that?
Hey, that's your mouth.
My mouse? What's that?
Abby!
Okay, can you say bye-bye?
Bye.